The Complete Beginner's Guide, How to Create Image with AI and Midjourney's Free Generator. How to Create Image with AI Step-by-Step Guide. Here is a basic example, /imagine prompt cat from Mars our 2 to 3 quality 1 upbeta. Do you want to make breathtaking images with AI? Here's your complete guide to creating stunning visuals with Midjourney's free image generator. We'll introduce you to the basics of using AI to create images and provide you with 8 easy steps to get started. With this guide, you'll be a pro in no time. Artificial intelligence has made it possible for anyone to create unique and compelling images with minimal effort. If you're interested in experimenting with AI-generated images, here's a step-by-step guide on how to generate your first AI-generated image. Step 1. Join the Discord. Go to midjourney.com, select Join the Beta, or go directly to the Midjourney Discord. Before joining the Midjourney Discord server, you must have a Discord login. Step 2. Find a newbie's channel. You can generate images with the Midjourney bot on any server that has invited the bot. Look for instructions on your server on where to use the bot. Step 3. Learn basic command. Interact with the Midjourney bot on Discord using a command. Commands are used to create images, change default settings, monitor user info, and perform other helpful tasks. Here is a simple command structure, /imagine prompt plus your description plus aspect ratio plus quality plus upscaler. Step 4. Run your first command. Here is a basic example, /imagine prompt cat from Mars our 2 to 3 quality 1 upbeta. The Midjourney bot takes about a minute to generate 4 options. Step 5. Reroll if needed. Click reroll button to rerun a job. In this case, it would rerun the original prompt, producing a new grid of images. Step 6. Make variations. Click V1/V2/V3/4 button to create a variation of the upscaled image and generates a new grid of 4 options. Choose the best variation for you. Step 7. Upscale image. Click U buttons or upscale buttons to upscale an image, generating a larger version of the selected image and adding more details. Step 8. Save your image. Click on the image to open it to full size, and then right-click and choose Save Image. Congratulations! You have just generated your first AI-generated image. In the next video, I will teach you how to improve your images. Thanks for watching.